Into esihlanganise namhlanje inkinga zala ekuhlaleni. Asihlanganiswanga into zepolitiki number 1. Asihlanganisanga into zokuthi ubani unama personal agendas nabantu bangaphandle. What we are saying so umphakathi sithi sifuna bonke abantu bangaphandle abangekho la ngemthetho baqhele bahambe babuyele emakhaya kubo. Sisale thina silungiseni umuzi wethu angithi into esifuna ukuyenza le. So sidinga sishele ukuthi yini kushoda kuphi senze njani sikusize. Because of the very people who are suffering from these things yilabo abahlelela. Makwenza umcimbi kufika abantu banikhombe nebhamu banidubula. And abanye abegebengu bayaziwa. So sifuna ubaba uNkuna asitshele kahle kahle ukuthi yini angakwazi ukuthi asenzele yona ngaleyo nkinga leyo. Mangabe udinga simsize sikhona. Mangabe legebengu zinebhamu abanganazo sinazo nathi. Mangabe isibinda sikho sinaso isibinda. Sifuna ukuthi ubaba uNkuna njengoba u-station commander wala siyamazi uyathanda ukusebenza. Abangathanda ukuthi sisebenze naye ilamakholegi wakhe labangani bakhe abasebenza. Sike safika la sizocela ukusebenza. Basitshela ngoprotocol angimazi protocol uhlalaphi. Basitshela ngoprocedure ngazi noma uzalwa noprotocol noma yini lento leyo. Kodwa into esaziyo ukuthi safuna ukusiza la ekuhlaleni. Kodwa le police station ayifuni ukusiza uma engekho. Abasekeli commander bakho baba uNkuna abafuni ukusebenza ngixoxela ngikutshela. Uyazi MJ sesiza la sifuna ukubhekana. So sithi abangafuni ukusebenza basithethe thina sizosebenza. Sesahamba besebenza neThembisa South ngenxa ukuthi iRabasuthu ayivumanga ukusebenza nathi. Savala lapha eBusumuzi sathola into eziningi. sathola into eningi sasangena naso Stella sabingelela sadlula. So shows ukuthi there's a will emphakathini kodwa siyacindezeleka. Siyacindezeleka ngenxa procedure ozala no protocol. Salimala somphakathi. So number 2, njengoba ungahamba ngale babunkulu uzobona avalile wonke ama-shop wabo my friend. Asifuni bavule. Singathi masikavala bese niniza nizosipompa. Ngoba number 1 bala ngokunomthetho basebenza ngama-shop angekho emthethweni. So sithi somphakathi sikhathele omunye nomunye bakanethalente lokwenza i-tuck shop akalenze khakubo. Omunye bakanethalente lokuthengisa i-airtime noma lokuthengisa ugwayi akahambe ayekhakubo. Amabhiziniswa la ayalimala. Mawuya lapha eSwazini kunabafowethu bala ethembisa bebathengisa ugwayi. Bava ngenxa ukuthi ama-friend bafaka ugwayi wefonko. Uyamangala uyaphema uba mnyamu uyavithika ugwayi wefonko. So sizokhala somphakathi kule memorandum iThembisa Community Forum izoyifunda. Kodwa siyaphinda futhi sithi labantu abavalile bangasavuli. Ayisibale bekhona nemoya azobathenga. Ngizokhuluma ngesilungu bezwe. As these shops are closed, I said please, they must not open. We see a shop, he open. Should no motor feel we valera so notice we. City so mpagati as full spara shop so vula. Ngoba number 1, labantu laba barepa ingane zabo mastani. Number 2 banebhamu aliko basesha. Siyazi ukuthi banebhamu. Abanye badlala ngani uthola iphoyisa limile emakhuleni. Iphoyisa abanye class la emakhona. Okuza ngasakho. Kunomfana wambiza ngoDerek bathi umdala okade umfala imaza ngaze ngembona. Uthengisela la emadeni. Sinenkinga yama-drugs. Mina ngibasaba ngeke benze lutho. Sinenkinga yama-drugs la elokishini. Umphakathi njengoba umningi kangaka, number 1 it shows ukuthi abantu abasebenzi. Number 2 it shows ukuthi abantu balimele bayifuna lento. So bengicela ningabaholi abaphethe uhulumeni noma abasebenzela i-state. Lesikhathi sokuthi umuntu osemphakathini ancekane nephoyisa siphelile. Iphoyisa uncane umsebenzi wayo ukuthi usebenze ngayo. Ngithi akunamuntu ozongephoyisa la. Iphoyisa lisemsebenzini libhadala wena. Kumele lisebenze ngayo. Sebenxusa futhi ukuthi njengoba ubabukhulu azosizana after bamnika imemorandum. Ngicela nibeni nokuyiphatha kahle. Yazi khona abadelelayo mhlawumbe abanamfundiso. Sikhona sobasiza sizobafundisa. Asizubekezelela umuntu onomkhuba wasekhaya kubo uzowenza la. Asela nje entertainment nemikhuba yabantu abenza nemikhuba yakubo. We want to address issues that hinders this community. Salimani, kunekele negroup labantu la bayave straight line. I know. Abanye benithola nabo abafana igama. I know. So sizonikeza iTCF bafunde imemorandum maqeda sinikeza ubabekho. Amen.
Bathi lente siyenzayo afundalu lente siyenzayo
Hello.
sizamele ukuthi ivakashi zethu zisibambe nje ngamagamanyana afinyana amagama bantu bafuna amagama ya so ngizoqala ngobaba uphakela umthakathi aze njalo sifundisa lapha even some leaders have given up. That's why we are standing ngongizwa umlando kamkhulu into basemdaba wethu kubingelela nokubonga abafowethu okhumalo nokubambisana okuhle nothathe wethu uSandile simbonile umfowethu Phakela nabonke abaholi abafele lana eThembisa community services kubalulekile ukuthi abaholi abasukumela indawo yangakubo sibabalule futhi sibonge ke into ente bakwethu cabanga uhulumeni uyabona ukuthi ngempela umkhankaso wethu uthela ithelo namanje ngisamangela ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi uhulumeni azibebona uma abantu abangaphekwa 20,000 behlangene ngisho lapha eThekwini usibonga uHome Affairs ukhuluma iqiniso lokuthi akho ngisho oyedwa onamaphepha lonto leyo itshela ukuthi izwe lethu bengeselone lethu besebhiwe kodwa-ke sicela kubathandaza abasebenzise thina sivintelezi singene emgwaqweni sithi ayikhale kunjalo nje ngenza kwethu Isabopha asitha yeyo wena traffic cop lapho sethatha utshotsha yeye sizokushaya kulani sizokushaya bamhlali phakoma ayibuye ibulana ayibuye acheche makwala acheche bafetha senzeni into right ufuna siphakamisela namakhotman amakhotman wethu wasekuruleni wasethembise kahlonge fosora sethokoza badakwe insango badakwe utshwala bani sina kuma-picket lines thina ufuna amashinta siwabonge lawa asibashaleni izandla nabafethu bayaphila nabantu 90 seconds ufuna ngabonge sibaphakamisa ngithi siyamazi umelo wose siyamazi ubaba wazo
Guys, thank you so much. I've done this thing for 5 years. But today, none, we can see the light. Sathi masikhuluma sasizodwa mina ke kukhuluma kazangithuka. Athi ngizonda abantu. Namhlanje reality ngiyayibona ukuthi ngiyani ngakanani. Angisebenzi. Ababhulu bethu balala emakhoneni. Amabhizinisi avaliwe. It cannot be correct ukuthi abantu bangaphandle bazozimotho bethu. Sikhona. Ngiyacabanga next year this time. Masenza mamathi sobe sifika abantu bazobe basemsebenzini. Commander's morning. Thank you.
Siyabonga. Besicela ubaba onothumela induna. Amanda. Ukuthi nomuzami nawashabalala ngosikhathi insizweni. Ucheck association. Izolo support abantu basethembisa into ezayo. Kuya oluntu amahlabathini. Ukuthi umholi wesithatha sokuthi 029 Alliance of Humanity. Ngicela ukuthi phakathi umthakathi nensizwa zonke mina esengicelile nengizamana engiphisayo. Ngicela abafowethu ngoba sibona osopolitiki mina kwisixaxa ngicela sirejisteni igama esobhota kilo. Bese laba abathanda amavote sithi abafaka ama-CV. Maye umnika umsebenzi siyamqasha, maye engenzi siyamxosha. Yebo. Asinegotiate. Ngoba manje sinenkinga yokuthi ngathi sindizise ibhaloni esingakwazi ukushisa. Nabantu sibavotela masifuna amavote bathi akuleyo enkantolo akufanele kanjalo. Abelungu badlala ngathi bafowethu kulelizwe basetele i-constitution engasebenzi. Lo mthethosisekelo awukho umthetho njena bafethu noma engathi noma isebenzi leyo. Ngicela ke bafowethu zokuhlala siphephisane ngithe umshengi nehlobo nabangani mangisho umshengi ngisho cha ngoshabalala obaphuzo ihlobo zami wogubane wongema omthunga ake simeni kanyanye ngizomthatha imsize abafundi emfundeni nokwazi ukubhala siyahlupheka la ngizwe mfethu ngikhumbula ingoma yami uyidlala emsakazweni lokuyagcina lokho khona mshini iyamuka futhi wena ube yiminister yalapho eSABC umsakazi uzodlala umculo wethu noma sikanda abaningi la sinabaculi lana akudalwa kuhamba ngeconnection uhulumeni akawe amandla awethu siyabonga athi sekwethu umphakathi manje noma umphakathi yesomnike wakufiyana ngiyela Thembisa Ngicela ngibonge kakhulu umphakathi waseThembisa bangabe ngubona ungaka bese ngibonga kakhulu abafowethu ababuya kude abafowethu labo base-KZN angeke sibakhohlwe ngoba babuya kude nje basebenzisa imali zokufika la bezosiza thina umphakathi waseThembisa. Ngiyabonga-ke namhlanje mangabe ngibona kusetshenzwa kanje eThembisa ngoba kudala sizama ngeke ngangenelele ey'kolweni zala eThembisa ngo-2014 siqale ingane ukuba bullying ishaya othisha zenza yonke into ngaze ngaqamba igama ngathi sizoba yi-PWB Police Without Boundaries ngoba besinenkinga ngangenelele ey'kolweni nangukolana ufakazi wami ngihamba nabo sizama la ey'kolweni ukulungisa manje ngiyabonga Thembisa ngicela ukuthi sibambaneni singabukeli izwe lifele ezandleni zethu bazamile abaphathi abaphambi kwethu asingavumi ukuthi izwe lethu liphelele ezandleni zethu kudakiswa iy'ngane zethu iqedwe iy'ngane zethu
zincane qethwe ngama-drugs ngabantu bokuhamba. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga. Manje sizocela ubaba uNkuna eze ngapha ngoba i-leadership asondele ubrigadier yakithi phela mina ngwazi ubrigadier Nkuna azothathela i-memorandum. Manje sizonela abanikazi bomcimbi i-TCF ukuthi bathumeleke i-memorandum yethu. Sisilele over to you.
Phakama Thembisa, phakama. Phakama Thembisa, phakama. Before ngicala nge-memorandum kunomuntu olahle i-ID yakhe la, uSibuyi Rogers. La ingabe uSibuyi Rogers uzawubonana nami after umcimbi sowuphelile. Ngiphethe i-license yakho mhlambi week. Makhosazana Regina Ngoma ilahlekile ipasi ungone after lana uzokwazi ukuthola ipasi lakho. Phakathi waseThembisa asibongeni namhlanje ukuthi sivakashelwe abantu bokuhamba base-KZN batori supporta ka issue naliyona ya illegal immigrants crime. Brigadier, memorandum. It's not the first memorandum that we handed over to you, and aniyenzi next ngama memorandum. So asithemba ukuthi mhlambe namhlanje ngoba kuzophakela ngoba kungizwe nizophakama nenze something ngoba siyazi ukuthi nje kuyathintwa nje phela uyoyithatha bese nantshophela ngale akusayinzwa lutho ngayo. So siyamkela, asifuni ukuthi size sizithathele imithetho ezandleni ngoba ningafuni ukusebenza. This is a joint memorandum to the South African Police Services, which is SAPS. It is submitted by Xolani Khumalo Foundation, Insizwa Zobunsizwa Development Foundation, Gauteng Anti-Crime Units, in partnership with Thembisa Community Forum. The memorandum is handed over to Brigadier Nkuna. Copied, it's the Minister of Police, Minister of Home Affairs, National Commissioner of SAPS, Gauteng Provincial Commissioner, Ekurhuleni District Commissioner, Community Policing Forums. Ifundeka kanje-ke le memorandum esibanikeza yona. Ngicela ningibekezeleni imbenyana ne. It says Asian demand for action against illegal immigration, human trafficking, drug trafficking, organized crime, and their impact on community safety and unemployment. Intro yakona, we the undersigned community organizations and anti-crime structures submit this memorandum on behalf of residents who continue to raise serious concerns regarding illegal immigration, human trafficking, drug trafficking, organized crime, and the increased social economic challenges facing South African communities. Our community concerns were to add, communities have expressed growing frustrations regarding the continued presence of undocumented foreign nationals residing and operating in our country. Human trafficking and the exploitation of vulnerable people, the widespread distribution and sale of illegal drugs in our community, organized crime in syndicates operating within our townships, rising unemployment and economic exclusion affecting South African citizens. I think same Ama demand way to add. We call upon SAPS, Home Affairs, and all relevant law enforcement agencies to intensify local operations targeting organized crime, drug trafficking, and human trafficking. We demand that SAPS conduct local verification operations in partnership with the Department of Home Affairs. We demand that enforcement of immigration legislation consistently and without fear or favor. We demand the investigation of business suspected of operating unlawfully or employing individuals in contravention of labor and immigration laws. We demand strengthening of border management and intelligence-led operations against criminal syndicates.
crime, police visibility in crime hotspots and affected communities. We demand to establish regular engagement platforms with community stakeholders, including CCF and anti-crime organizations, and provide public feedback on actions taken to address these concerns. The Tembisa Community Forum is an important stakeholder within the community. Together with the anti-crime organization and community development structures, remain committed to working with SAPS and government institutions to promote community safety, social stability, and local compliance. We respectfully request a formal written response outlining the interventions and plans to address these concerns. Bengeli ballpen ke ukuthi babakwazi ukusayinela asho ukuthi utholi la ukuthi ngibona ukuthi abamsebenzi
hayi wonke umuntu epolice station yaphi lapho ngoba sizela niyaphi uyani
community uyang let us happy to go toilet come back phakathi 1632 hayibo is signing the memorandum, which means he's acknowledging this memorandum.
Sanibonani ninjani ngicela ukulisa abaholi nomphakathi wonke i-memorandum ipolile ngiyisayinele and I acknowledge zonke i-concerns eziraiswe kule memorandum and ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi thina esamaphoyisa masebenza sodwa ngeke sikwazi ukulisa le crime. So i-community ama-partners wethu uXolani uyazi ukuthi umnyango wami uhlala uvuliwe, noSisilele naye uyazi ukuthi umnyango wami uhlala uvuliwe, so that sidiscusse indaba ze-crime and also ukwenza i-operation. So thina esisiphoyisa amaphathi wethu la bakhulume ngawo in terms of ukulisa i-crime eTembisa. Yebo, siza-increase i-efforts zethu so that si-fight crime around Tembisa. But sicela ukuthi umphakathi ungahambeli kude because bafuna closer nathi because basiyimbumba e-one. And then we are able to conquer and eradicate crime standing.
Siyabonga manje sizocela u-deputy chair or umama uthengise kamakula wakho amaphepha akho mama ngicela u-deputy chair wethu we-TCF asivalele umcimbi ngoba kudala sihamba sikhona ukubuyela emakhaya. Thank you. Phakama Tembisa, phakama. Phakama Tembisa, phakama. U-station commander uthi umnyango wakho uhlala uvuliwe mara amaphoyisa wakhe bayawuvala nomnyango loyo. So I think charity needs to begin at home. Ngifuna ukubona mina amaphoyisa athatha i-content kangaka kumele basebenze. So asazi teachers vile balivolume lapho sakhuluma
abantu basekhaya lesibona ukuthi sibaningi kanjani. It means ukuthi unemployment iphezulu. And you must know ukuthi namhlanje amakhula ayolala khona la e-police station. Ngoba bazona abalekile. Nani bomasteni bomaphiqiphiqi enhleli la. Nifanele lawo mashophu. Sithi ora ukuthi labantu bakwazi ukuhamba. Mele badinga ispace sokulala. Aningabarentisi, aningabanikeza indawo yokulala, bazozihambela ngithi. Lamarumu enibaqashise kuwo niyawavala ke manje. Namagaraji enivulile niyawavala ke manje. Umuntu nomuntu siyazazi ukuthi sihlala kuphi akithi. Yenza umsebenzi, ungayenza umsebenzi awubona thina. But we are still maintaining Brigadier Nkuna kuwe. Lamaphoyisa akholeka emadela, bakholeka lapha nakuphi kuphi. Babhekile. If abafuna ukusebenza, sizongena e-police station sisebenze thina. Bengicela sisuke lana sibuyele emakhaya peaceful yakithi. Malikasi nekasi alivale lo elivalela khona siyabonga amandla.
Bastapela baphinde futhi bona basidelele basibona ngathi thina singabantu basidelele ngendlela yokuthi bambe bane-attitude ngathi ngothi akhuluma so bakutshela ukuthi employment namaphoyisa wona lawa asivikele SAPS I'm speaking ku-SAPS angeke uthi sisilwa nabantu nina nambe lutho tshotshotho kubo nifike iphansi labo nikhangeze kumasaluni wabo nikhangeze why if labantu ukuthi these people they are undocumented abanayo nevisa abanayo nani ukuthi basebenze nepermit yokusebenza lasezweni why ngambophi umlise eRabasuthi police umthetho uthatha indima
asikhulume ngemisebenzi abayenzayo abanye bagunda abantu amakhanda abanye bakhanda icathulo abanye basebenza ema-restaurants abanye benza imisebenzi le ethathwa njengama-peace job ubona ukuthi mhlawumbe uma bengahamba le misebenzi engiyibalayo abantu bala Ningizimu Afrika bangayenza yini
yes bangayenza if ngakubisela emuva butwana ngesikhathi 90s bezinamasaluni sina wonke ama-barber shop sina yonke into leyo abayenzayo singahlulwa yini ukuyenza the only thing into eyenzile isystem yegovernment yethu isithathele kona ezandleni yasiphuca umnotho wethu i-township economy ngendlela yokuthi basibona ngathi sidala we are not dumb and dull siyayazi into esiyifunayo lokule country yethu if abafuni sizobabonisa ngendlela yethu